Hi, my name's Tom. I picked up this little nightlight. It's actually a two-pack from Amazon. It's a little flameless candle, and it's actually pretty neat. It works pretty well. It's got a couple neat little features on it. First of all, obviously a little flameless candle on top. On the back, there is a two-prong plug, and then on the bottom here, we have a light that comes out from the bottom as well as a little button. And the little button will actually allow you to change modes and even the brightness of the light at the bottom. Let me go ahead and kind of show you how it works and what the different modes are. So here's the default mode. When you first plug it in, it will just basically be on. It has a light up here. It is a simulated flicker, which is really nice. It's not real blinky, but it's a little bit of a simulated flicker. It does look like a candle. It works really, really well. And then down here, you actually have a light at the bottom. That's perfect for a night light, so it kind of throws off light down to the bottom. It would work great in a hallway as well. So you kind of see, this is what it's on all the time. So the first mode, you just turn it on, it's on all the time. I'm going to go ahead and press the button one time. It kind of flashes there. And now what it is it's actually on only when it's dark. I'm going to turn off the light. And there you go. The first mode, or second mode, I guess, has just the candle coming on when it's light, or when it's dark. The light at the bottom does not come on at all. I'm going to go ahead and turn the light back on. It goes back off. Third mode, I'm going to press it one more time. Both the candle and the bottom light come on, and you can see I'm kind of in the way right now, but you can see it just works really well in the dark. If I turn the light back on, it turns right back off, and there it is. So here it is at night. It's in the hallway. You can see the light does go ahead and get thrown down onto the floor. It does light up a nice little area. So the light goes upward with the candle as well as down below. I think I'm going to keep it here in the hallway, and we'll probably put one in the kids' bathroom. So I would send these nightlights in exchange for an honest review, and that's exactly what I've done. I've given you my honest opinion. These are nice little nightlights. Again, pack of two. So if you need nightlights in your house and you like some little simulated candle looks, they just kind of look neat. They're little plastic things. They're not real fancy, but they do the job, and they throw off a beautifully warm light for a nightlight. It's just fun. They're kind of neat. You don't have to worry about bulbs burning out or anything. They're LED. They'll last a long time. So yeah, they're pretty cool. Highly recommended.